Alright, quick update on the Integra. Today we painted the valve cover. Went ahead and put on the new cap. What else have we replaced? New upper radiator hose, new heater hose here. And this heater hose got replaced the other day because it blew out while I was on my way to work, which is why all of this garbage is back here. So I got to clean that up. Other than that, got everything hooked up. The cruise control is here. We deleted it. I just cut the line though, so I just cut it. I gotta pull this out, but I gotta go down in the car and pull that garbage out later, and then we'll get rid of that. And then we'll have a hole there. We got a plug. Other than that, everything else is really nice. I really like the valve cover. Like this color, it looks really good. So next thing is we got to pull this off and paint that black. Maybe get a header, and then we should be in business. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace.